Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a website with Bolt.new AI tool. Don't forget to subscribe for a channel for more Bolt.new tutorials. So open build.new on your web browser and look into your account. Head over to the home and here you have to add a prompt to start creating your website. For example, create an e-commerce website for shows and just hit build now. This will make the Bolt.new AI create you an e-commerce website dedicated for shoes. And let's wait for the Bolt.new AI to start creating our website. And here it is, guys. Our website was successfully created with our Bolt.ai tool. So here it is with our photo and header and just a little page with the categories. So this is pretty awesome, guys. Bolt.ai will deliver great results here. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.